quick. And a giant mosquito. It's really fucking big. So, what's up, you guys? It's Noah, and today I got something in the mail which came from Alpha Shapewear, and it's a Dutch company that makes binders. They're new, they just started out. I think it's just one guy who makes them, and yeah, I don't know, I messaged him pretty boldly and asked if I could review one of his binders, so he sent me one, and here it is. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing and first look at the binder and see how it, you know, works on my chest. It's the second Dutch brand that makes binders. There's one other, it's called Danai or Danai, whatever, and I've heard good and bad things about them, and mostly bad because they don't really bind that well, and that's the main purpose of a binder, right? So yeah, so this is the second brand from the Netherlands, and they actually make the whole binder according to your size. So you make a measurement over here, and under here, and then according to those measurements he makes the binder that should perfectly fit your body. So I'm super excited because I've always had like problems with binders that sometimes, like now for example, they bind pretty well over here but they hurt more because I'm also getting bigger. So anyways, unboxing, I guess. This is the letter it came in. Has my address on it, but it just came into this thing. So you don't pay a lot of shipping costs because it's just, it fits in your mailbox, so that's really cool. It also says nothing on here that has to do anything that might suggest it's a trans thing or whatever, so that's cool. So yeah, let's check it out. So they make, ooh, you're welcome. Okay, so this is it. They make half tops, and not gonna lie, it looks very much like GC2B. It feels different than GC2B. But the, like this part, you know, that's classic for GC2B as well, and also the back. Yeah, but they sell half tops or tri-tops, whatever you want to call them. This is their logo. They make them in a few colors, I think nude colors, black and white, I think, and maybe green or something. You should check out the website, I'll put some pictures in. This is what it looks like. So now I'm just gonna try it on and see how it fits, so I'll see you in a second. I'm gonna keep filming and you'll hear me talking while I'm taking off this binder. This is a GC2B, and putting on the other one. Okay, getting out the binder scissor. And I'm putting on the Alpha Shapewear. It feels really soft. And oh my god, that's really tight. So this is the binder. It's a bit longer than GC2B. GC2B stops over here, but it makes you really flat. That's the good thing. It feels nice though. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. First impression, it feels a little bit different than GC2B. And it's tight, that's good. And yeah, I guess it binds good. Like, if I look in the mirror over there, like, this is my chest right now. Yeah, it binds really well. That's cool. I think it also has to do with the fact that this guy actually measures you and according to those measurements makes your binder. So it fits perfectly for my body, which is great. So this is the unboxing, and first look at the binder from Alpha Shapewear. I'll put his links down below. So they cost 55 euros. I know it's a bit pricey, but with these ones you know that you get the right measurements, so you don't have to send it back or, you know, are left with a binder that you can use. Shipping to the Netherlands is 3.32 euros. To the US it's around 16 euros, and the rest of the world it's 13 euros. So that's pretty good. Especially for people in Europe, I think this is a really good company, because in the States you already have GC2B, but if you want something that's more specific to your body type, then you can try out this one. So I'm just gonna wear this for like a week or 3 weeks, and then see how it is after a few weeks, and if it still binds very well, or I don't know. You never know, because you need some time to break it in as well. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys back in a few weeks, and with a full-on review on the Alpha Shapewear binder. So that was it for me this week. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all next time. Later.